in a beautiful summer's day in Stradbally, County Laois, on this beautiful farm of David Chemist Walsh. And we're having our first ever National Farming for Nature Festival. That's where we brought a whole lot of people together, mainly farmers, but also scientists and policy people and people who are running different projects around Ireland, to kind of celebrate the importance of farmers in restoring and conserving nature in Ireland, while also producing great food and doing it in a way that's sympathetic to our environment and supportive of our community. So today is a day of kind of celebration and knowledge sharing and meeting people, finding your tribe, having fun, all in the sun. Good day out. All the science tells us that we've got a biodiversity crisis in Ireland at the moment. Our water quality is going down all the time. The climate is becoming a big issue. It's close on 30 degrees here today. It's very, very warm. And there's other issues as well, like a lot of rural populations are in decline and so on. So there's a compelling social, economic and environmental rationale for maybe looking at different ways of doing things and building resilience within our sector. So we feel that farmers have a huge role to play in restoring nature, addressing climate challenges and continue to produce good food. But the whole movement has to be led by farmers. So today is about putting farmers in pole position. All of our farmers here and our demonstrators are farmers. And the audience then is people who are here to learn from those farmers. So I love the idea that at the Farm for Nature Festival, the farmers are the focus and we're learning from them and we're honouring them and we're supporting them to take steps that as a society we need them to take.
Very good, thank you.
But this is all about collaboration. It's about collaborating with the amazing farmers in Base Ireland and this incredible network called NOTS. But we also have Antala Bio here. We've got our friends from Northern Ireland, the Nature Friendly Farming Network. So it's really about working together on this island to help restore nature, but do it through farming. Because farming is everything really. It's our pharmacy, it's where we get our food from, it's what sustains our countryside and our communities. And if there was ever something worth celebrating, it's that type of farming system, that vision for farming.
But it's a beautiful setup and lovely people, lots of amazing work and amazing talks going on. So yeah, it's very inspiring.
Just mindful discussion to the fore that needs to happen and make you think about every part of farming and food production. So it's an amazing event.
It's great to see a lot of practical farmers, producers sharing actually what can happen if you really work together.
It's a great kind of crossover space, you know, from all the different scales, production and types of things people are doing.
Encouragement, I suppose, you know, for change, which I think is really nice to see. Really interested in the kind of agroforestry angle, the diversity.
It was like it brings farmers out of the environmental closet. It gives them the confidence to turn around and not hide the nature down the back of the field anymore. They turn around and have it up front and centre.
Seeing what other people are doing, how we can improve on our own farm at home.
It's not just everybody from the same tribe. There are lots of, you know, big farmers and very thinking outside the box farmers and so on. It's really important to have these conversations.
And what I liked about this is it's compact on site with different things that you can go and see, whether it's to do with soil or to do with silvopasture or whatever it might be. So I'm going to take away little bits from that and go away, and it's nice to have that inside one day.
It's brilliant. It's an education, that's what it is. And that's what I think should be sent out to most people.
It's the little chats that happen in between. That's where the connections and that's where the magic happens and that's where all the fizz is.